If you are new to trading, AI trading bots can sound super confusing. In this video, I will explain the 5 most popular types of trading bots in the simplest way possible, and which one are actually beginner friendly. First, trend following bots. This is probably the easiest type of trading bot to understand. The idea is simple. If the market is going up, the bot looks for buy opportunities. If the market starts weakening, the bot exits the trade. It doesn't try to predict the exact top or bottom. It simply follows the direction of the market. That's why trend bots are popular with beginners. They are simple and logical. Second, sentiment AI bots. These bots analyze news, social media, market sentiment, and trader emotions. The goal is to understand whether the market feels bullish or bearish. For example, if thousands of traders suddenly become bullish on NVIDIA or Bitcoin, the bot may generate a trading signal. This type of bot is becoming very popular because AI is extremely good of analyzing huge amounts of information quickly. Third, mean reversion bots. These bots believe that if price moves too far too fast, it will eventually return to a more normal level. For example, if a stock crashes very hard in one day, the bot may buy the dip expecting a rebound. This strategy is popular because it's intuitive and easy to understand. A lot of beginner traders like mean reversion because it teaches concepts like volatility, RSI, and market overreactions. Fourth, arbitrage bots. These bots try to profit from price differences between exchanges. For example, Bitcoin could be slightly cheaper on one exchange and slightly more expensive on another. The bot tries to buy low and sell high almost instantly. It sounds easy, but today most arbitrage opportunities are dominated by professional firms and ultra-fast trading systems. Fifth, scalping bots. These bots make lots of very fast trades trying to capture tiny price movements. A scalping bot might open and close dozens of positions every hour. This can look exciting, but it's also one of the hardest styles for beginners. Why? Because scalping usually means more stress, more false signals, higher trading fees, and much faster decision making. So which trading bots are actually best for beginners? Usually trend following bots, mean reversion bots, and sentiment AI bots, because they are easier to understand, less stressful, and better for learning how markets really work. If you want more beginner-friendly AI trading tutorials, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.